What's up, guys? Dylan here with No Limits. Today I'm going to be talking about ski boots. Ski boots are a fantastic piece of gear. They're very important, but they can make or break your day out there on the mountain. So let's talk about them. First, we got to talk a little bit about boot anatomy. Up top here, we have the tongue of the boot, which works exactly like the tongue on your shoe. Then we have the shin strap, which is responsible for keeping pressure against the top of your shin. Then we have the latches, which gives your boot a nice tight grip on your foot. On the back here, we have the spine. Some boots will have a walk mode here, mainly touring boots. These boots do not. Lastly, we have the lugs. These are the bits that your binding grabs onto and keeps you connected to your ski. Next, we're going to talk about putting your boot on. So the first step is unfastening your shin strap and all your latches. Once everything's loose, you're going to take the tongue and push it forward. To get your foot in the boot, you're going to point your toe and apply downward pressure. It might be a bit of a struggle to get it in there, so pull up on the tongue and it should slide right in. Then add a couple of heel taps to ensure that your ankle and calf are firm against the back of the boot. Then you're going to want to fasten everything back up. I like to go from the top down, so I'm going to start by fastening my shin strap. Then I'll do the top two buckles and then the bottom two. Once your foot's securely in the boot, take some time to feel it out. Try and move your foot around and wiggle your toes. You shouldn't be able to move your foot, and you should only be able to wiggle your toes a little bit. It should be snug around your ankle and your foot, but not painful. The last step is really cranking down these top two latches. You want these to be as tight as possible without giving you pain. This ensures that your foot isn't swimming around in the boot and gives you greater control over your ski. When storing your boots, make sure to keep all the latches closed and keep them in a warm place. This will prevent them from stretching out or freezing. That's all for ski boots. Thanks for watching.